Welcome back to Gunpowder Gladiator channel. Here I am with the gorgeous Gladiator, and today we're going to do an installation video. Could be something up here, maybe back here. You'll have to stay tuned to check it out. Driveway. What could be in this box? Let's find out. Box, that's all I know. Oh, look, stuff. Covered up stuff. It wasn't going anywhere, that's for sure. Aha. Cool. We have doors. Now the first thing we have to do to remove the doors is to remove these end caps from the hinges. To do that, Jeep has supplied us with this nifty little toolkit. Now the next step that we do is to put the windows down, so that we can easily remove the door from the hinges. Alright, the next thing we have to do is unhook this covering right in the steering compartment. And we have to flip up the red tab. Tab up and cords are released. Alright, on the Jeep JT there is this extra door holder that kind of, as you can see, holds the door into position. And we have to unbolt this piece, and after you unbolt it, you have to make sure it doesn't pop back into the door, because it can be a real pain to get out. Alright, now we're going to get the driver's side door off. Passenger door. Do the same thing. Open the cover up, push the red tab, pull the wiring out. Just like the driver's side door, and unhook the bolt. Just like with the driver's door, we take the passenger door off of the Jeep. We put on the driver's side EAG tube door. We have to take this bolt off, and then under here, this bolt to take this piece off, so we can get inside here and get it tightened up. Now we put on the fastener rear door. Now that we got the tube doors installed, we're going to take her for a ride. So let's go get some wind in our hair. Hey Marianne! Woo! Hey Mason! Let's go! Woohoo!
What's that stick?
This is how we decided to hang up our doors after we removed them from the Gladiator. We've seen a lot of different ways that people have hung their doors, and we like this the best. I hope you enjoyed our installation video of these EAG tube doors, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.